That hitting you're hearing, that's the fan hitting the fiberglass shroud. But I took my knife and cut some of it away, so just little by little so it'll clear. But I was like, I'm gonna have to do it again because you can hear it hitting somewhere. So, but anyway, I'll get that. But that works on here. Now there's F-150 there. I'll show you it now. Okay, here's a fan off of the 302 air compressor. I put it on here, on the F-150 here. This thing howls now, this fan does. Boy, it moves a lot of air too. Hopefully that'll help the engine stay a little cooler. But here, I'll start it up for you. Sorry about the mess in the truck, by the way. Now hopefully it stays cooler now. So